Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel Sara Bioinformatics. If you are new here, I am Sara and on this channel we are due into the fascinating world of bioinformatics, genomics and data science. If you are passionate about exploring how technology intersects with biology, then you are in the right place. Today we are going to explore some exciting techniques that are at the forefront of genomics research. ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq, these methods allows us to study chromatin, the material that makes up our chromosome, in amazing details. But what exactly are these techniques and why are they so important? Well, that's exactly what we are going to cover today's topic, unlocking the secret of chromatin, ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq. Today's I will cover contents, ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq, understanding ChIP-seq, analyzing chromatin regions bound by specific proteins, unlocking ATAC-seq, mastering ChIP-seq workflow, key step in ChIP-seq analysis, unveiling open chromatin, and next, essential step in ATAC-seq analysis, comparative analysis of ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq, advancing genomic research with ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq, future direction in chromatin analysis. ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq. First of all, what is chromatin? Chromatin is the substance that makes up our chromosomes and it plays a crucial role in controlling gene expression, cellular function, and ultimately organized development. Understanding chromatin is essential for deciphering the mechanism behind gene regulation and disease progression. In this video into two groundbreaking techniques, ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq, that allows scientists to explore chromatin structure and function in unprecedented details. ChIP-seq. What is ChIP-seq? Chromatin immunoprecipitation sequencing. ChIP-seq is a powerful method used to study protein-DNA interaction. It allows researchers to identify where specific proteins such as transcription factor or histone bind to the DNA. By immunoprecipitating these protein DNA complexes and influencing to attached DNA fragment, ChIP-seq provide insight into gene regulation, histone modification, and how these molecular interaction influence gene expression. Application of ChIP-seq. ChIP-seq identify transcription factor binding sites and studying histone modification and chromatin remodeling. ChIP-seq investigating the molecular basis of disease like cancer and neurological disorders. What is ATAC-seq? ATAC-seq assay for transposes accessible chromatin sequencing. ATAC-seq is a technique designed to study chromatin accessibility, the region of the genome that are open and accessible to regulatory proteins. It involved by using a transposis enzyme to insert sequencing adapter into these open chromatin regions, revealing where DNA is most accessible for gene expression. This allows researchers to map active regulatory elements like enhancer, promoter, and other key regions that derive gene activity. Application of ATAC-seq. ATAC-seq mapping open chromatin regions to identify regulatory elements and studying changes in chromatin accessibility during development, disease, and environmental changes. Investigating gene regulation in both normal and disease states. Future trends: looking ahead, advancement in sequencing technology and bioinformatics will enhance the capabilities of ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq, paving the way for deeper insights into chromatin dynamics. Understanding ChIP-seq analysis chromatin region bound by specific protein. ChIP-seq allows for high-resolution mapping of protein-DNA interaction, providing insight into the gene regulation. It helps identify specific transcription factor and histone modification associated with various biological processes. The technique is powerful for uncovering epigenetics changes and understanding complex regulatory networks. ChIP-seq experiment can be expensive and require specialized equipment and expertise. Data analysis can be complex and may demand extensive computational resources and bioinformatics skills. Results can be influenced by experimental design and antibody specificity, leading to potential false positive. Unlocking ATAC-seq. What is ATAC-seq? Open chromatin nucleosome positioning regulatory motifs. Comparing comparing ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq. Both ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq are complementary techniques that provide valuable insight into chromatin biology, but they focus on different aspects. ChIP-seq reveals where proteins are binding to DNA and provides insight into how gene expression is regulated by specific protein interaction and epigenetic marks. And ATAC-seq focus on chromatin accessibility, showing us which regions of genome are open for transcription and activity regulation gene expression. And next, mastering ChIP-seq workflow, sample preparation, immunoprecipitation, sequencing, and analysis. And next step, key steps in ChIP-seq analysis. Quality control is the first step in ChIP-seq analysis, ensuring the integrity of raw data through the evaluation of sequencing quality, matrix, and read distribution. Next, alignment of sequencing reads to a reference genome is crucial, allowing researchers to pinpoint where DNA-protein interaction occur in the genomic landscape. Peak calling identifies significant regions of enrichment in the aligned data, reveals where protein bind to DNA, which is essential for understanding regulatory mechanism. Finally, difference analysis compare ChIP-seq data across conditions, providing insights into changes in binding patterns and how these relate to gene expression modulation. Unveiling open chromatin. Introduction to ATAC-seq. ATAC-seq is a powerful technique used to access open chromatin region in the genome. This method provides insight into regulatory elements and transcription factor binding site essential for understanding genes. Sample preparation: the workflow begins in the isolation of a nuclei from cell, followed by transcription of the DNA using TNF5 transposase. This step integrates sequencing adapter into open chromatin region, allowing for data analysis. Ataxic data analysis involves alignment to the reference genome, peak calling to identify open chromatin region, and visualization using tools like IgV interpreting with other data. Biological application: open chromatin region can reveal key insights into gene regulation, cellular differentiation, and disease mechanism. ATAC-seq has application in cancer research, development biology, and epigenetics. Next, essential step in attack-seq analysis. Understanding attack-seq involves recognizing purpose in assessing chromatin accessibility, revealing regulatory element, and uncovering insight into genome organization. Quality control is the crucial. It is included checking sequencing depth, read quality, and adapter contents, identifying potential biases that could skew insult during data interpretation. And third, mapping attack-seq data to reference genome is essential, ensuring accurate alignment of reads, which allows for effective identification of accessible chromatin regions. Fourth, post-mapping analysis involve peak calling and visualization, where tools help interpret the data, linking chromatin accessibility to gene regulation and biological significance. Next, comparative analysis of ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq. ChIP-seq specifically target protein-DNA interaction, allowing for detailed mapping of transcription factor and regulatory elements. ATAC-seq offer a quicker and more accessible method for analyzing chromatin accessibility, facilitating studies on gene regulation. Both techniques provide insight into epigenetic regulation, helping researchers understanding complex biological processes. ChIP-seq require more specialized knowledge and extensive sample preparation, which can be resources intensive and time-consuming. Attacks that, while simpler, may overlook specific protein binding information compared to the granular details provided by chipset. Data interpretation can be complex for both technique, necessitating advanced computational tool and expertise for accurate analysis. Advancing genomic research with ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq. ChIP-seq offer in-depth insight into protein-DNA interaction, helping researchers identify gene regulatory elements critical for understanding cellular process and disease mechanism. ATAC-seq access chromatin accessibility, revealing actionable information about active regulatory region and helping to decipher the epigenetic landscape of different cell types. Both techniques have revolutionized how scientists explore gene regulation, providing a cle- clearer connection between genotype and phenotype by mapping function element in genome. Integrating ChIP-seq and ATAC-seq data enhance the resolution of a genomic analysis, paving the way for novel discoveries in cancer research, development biology, and personalized medicine. Future directions in chromatin analysis. Chromatin analysis techniques are evolving rapidly, utilizing advanced methods like single cell sequencing to uncover complex genomics, structure, and their function within cell. Emerging techniques such as CRISPR-based tools are enhancing chromatin modification studies, offering unprecedented precision in understanding gene regulation mechanism. Data integration from multi-omics approach is becoming crucial, allowing researchers to correlate chromatin modification with transcription and proteomics data for a holistic view. The future holds potential for real-time chromatin imaging, enabling dynamic studies of chromatin behavior during various biological processes, including development and disease progression.